Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Big YouTubers will not tell you that you can get a community tab even with 1 subscriber. Think about that. You can get a community tab even if you're not at that 500 subscriber mark. You don't have to have 1 million views. You don't have to reach 500 subscribers in order to get that community tab. But there is one thing you have to have. You have to have an OAC, an official artist channel. Nobody's ever talking about it. I never really knew that. You can have a community tab even if you have 1 subscriber. Now I found this channel right here. Big shout out to 28 Homeboy. I was searching around. I'm getting an official artist channel for my channel. Being an official artist, I wanted to see how can I get an official artist channel, which gives me that community tab. So I did some research. I found this channel, 28 Homeboy. Now he has 24 subscribers, but even with 1 subscriber, I've seen channel. You can get that community tab right there. Look at that. Now I have to give some credit to 28 Homeboy. He's doing his thing with this community tab. He's staying in touch with his community, even at that small level. So think about that. Most big YouTubers will not tell you. You can get a community tab. Reach out with those community features, even if you only have 1, 2, 3, even if you only have 24 subscribers. But you have to have what they call an official artist channel. I'm putting together a video for that right now, so be on the lookout for that. You can have a community tab with an official artist channel. You get that? Community tab opens up for you. So let me know in the comment section, do you have an official artist channel, or are you an artist looking to get an official artist channel? I'd like to know about that. Big YouTubers won't tell you, even as a small channel, you can crack through that algorithm, you can crack through that system and build up a reputation with the YouTube system. I want to share this video with you right here, how I solved the mystery of the algorithm. I think that video would be great for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing. And remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.